in order to solve this problem, we have to think of how these two examples are related to each other. So if you have 273,436 and we divide by n and it leaves a remainder of 16, we know that if we subtract 16 from this number, it is divisible by n, or this number is a multiple of n. So we know that because, for example, if we had 10 and we had, let's just say it's being divided by n, this number 10 is being divided by n, and it leaves a remainder of 2, for example, then we can figure out that it leaves a remainder of 2, and let's just say the number n is 4, which satisfies this condition. So 10 divided by 4, it does leave a remainder of 2, and if we subtract by 2 the remainder, then we know that simply it is divisible by n, or the number 4. So we tested that property, it works. Now we can apply it to the second example as well. So 272,760 subtracted by 15, which is its remainder. That means this number is divisible by n, or a multiple of n. Okay, so how would this help us? Well, if you calculate 273,436 divided by minus 16 is 273,420, and then 272,760 minus 15 is 272,745. We know that both of these numbers are divisible by n. So how does this help us? Or both of these numbers are divisible by n, and both of these numbers are also a multiple of n. So we can do a little bit of testing here. So if we subtract the larger number by the second, which is larger number by the second largest number, or the smaller number, we can get a positive number. So we have 273,420 on the top, 272,745 on the bottom. And then we get, I believe, 675 as our result. So what does this show us? Well, if we divide a multiple of n by another multiple of n, let's just say x of n, y of n, we subtract a multiple of n by another multiple of n, then we get a multiple of n. So we know that 675 is a multiple of n, and then we have to find the tens digit of n. So we can just test each one of these possible solutions, and then we can find which one works and the tens digit of that number. We can check all the factors of 675 and see which one works for n. And when I mean check, we can go back to our original two numbers that we have. So we have 273,436 and 272,760. And then we divide by each factor of 675, or test each factor of 675. And then they should give us these two remainders. And if we go down the line and test every single one, we'll find that 45 is the only one that works. So the answer to this problem is E, because the tens digit